Hi, and welcome back to Let's Learn to Sew. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the different types of zipper feet and how to use them with your sewing machine. Now, this is just going to be a quick overview of all the different types of zipper feet that you can use with a sewing machine. And in the coming weeks, we'll go into more details in individual videos that will include a downloadable project that utilizes each of the different feet. Now, the primary use for zipper feet, of course, is going to be to insert different types of zippers, but you can also use the different zipper feet to add piping, beading, and other types of trim to your projects and garments. Now, these two feet are the same foot, just a little bit different in sizing, and the machine that they go to. One goes to my Viking machine and the other is for a Singer. This is the all-purpose zipper foot, and it's the one that most people receive with their sewing machine. The bar right here is going to attach either on the left side or the right side, and that depends on which side of the zipper you're working on, because the needle is going to come down. Let's see if I can get that space opening for you. And the needle is going to strike on either side right through here. And then this toe, instead of an opening, you've got this one-piece toe that's going to ride down on the zipper. You're going to want to make sure that when you attach this to the shank of your sewing machine, you put it on the correct side. Then slowly turn your hand wheel towards you and make sure that the needle is coming down in the right position. Otherwise, your needle's going to come down and it's going to break. So this all-purpose foot is great for regular zippers. You can see it rides right down the edge. And I've also seen, depending on how close you want to get it, you can let the toe ride down your zipper and it's going to come down on either side. Next week, when I do the detailed video on using the all-purpose zipper foot, we're going to be doing a project where we insert a zipper into a bag, and I'll show you two different techniques for using this zipper and ensuring that your zipper comes up right down the middle where you want it to. So next is the narrow zipper foot. And this is just a regular 14-inch zipper like you would put into a garment. Let's go ahead and open this up. The narrow zipper foot is designed to allow you to get very close to the zipper teeth, cording, or other type of raised items on your fabric. So again, you're usually going to be working from the back side when you're inserting the zipper. Flip that over. And instead of the bars being on the left and right, you've got one at the back and one at the front. With the narrow zipper foot, you're able to get much closer to those zipper teeth when you're inserting your zipper. When you flip it over, you can see that you've got some grooves on the back of the foot. That allows the zipper to ride in that channel. And it's the same. I know some people, again, have been taught that you insert your zipper on the front. This is going to ride down the teeth, and your needle is going to come down right here in this opening. Now, when we do the video on the narrow zipper foot, I'll show you how to use this foot two different ways also. And finally, we have the invisible zipper foot or the concealed zipper foot. Now, this is the zipper that you're going to commonly find in dresses and evening wear. Now, the back side is where the teeth are. That's where you normally see on the front side of your zipper. So when the zipper is closed and it's sewn in correctly, you're not going to be able to see the zipper in any way. Your seam's going to come together and it's going to be completely hidden. And that's because instead of being on the top, the teeth on an invisible zipper are curled under towards the back. That's why the easiest way to insert an invisible zipper really is with an invisible zipper foot. So on the back side of the invisible zipper, you've got this channel on either side. So you've got your foot on here. Those teeth ride in that channel when you're stitching down the invisible zipper. That gives you a nice clean finish, and let's see if I can get it lined up here where you guys can really see it well. So my needle is going to come down and it's going to be, oops, there we go. So my needle's going to come down and it's going to go right in that hole there. and that's going to get it right up against the edge of the teeth of the invisible zipper, giving us a nice clean finish on our garment. And when we do the video on the invisible zipper foot, I'll show you how to install it into the back of a skirt or a dress. Now, I know this video wasn't a super long video or very detailed, but before we dived into each of the zippers, I wanted to make sure that you guys understood what each of the feet are for and what type of zipper you would be using with each of the feet. If you have any questions about how to use a zipper foot on your sewing machine, let me know down in the comments section. And again, in the coming weeks, we're going to have a detailed video that walks you through how to use each one of the zipper feet, and we'll have a free project that you'll be able to download and use along with the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and be sure to visit us at letslearntosew.com.